today's activity is going to be about things that we need and things that we want. There is a big difference between needs and wants. So I am going to read you this story, and we're going to discuss a little bit about the difference between needs and wants. And then we are going to be sorting these pictures into things that we need and things that we would want. So this is a nonfiction book, which means it has real pictures, and it's called Need It or Want It, Social Studies. Need it or want it. You need some things to help you live. Take a look at these pictures. We see some food here, and here we see some clothes folded up. Do you know what you need to live? Here we have a glass of water and a house. You need food. Food helps you live. You need water. Water helps you live. Water is very important. You need a home, and it could be any type of home. It's called shelter. So you need somewhere that you can sleep at nighttime to keep your body safe from the outside, like the cold or the rain. You need clothes. Do you want things that you don't need? Of course, we all want things that we don't really need. This girl needs food. Does she need this cupcake? What do you think? Thumbs up if she needs it, thumbs down if she doesn't. You're right. Even though it's a kind of a food, she does not need this cupcake because it's not very healthy for you. So you need something a little bit different. This boy needs water. Does he need this milkshake? Thumbs up or thumbs down? You're right, thumbs down. Your body does not need a milkshake, but it does need water for you to be able to live. This boy wants a new home. This girl wants new clothes. You want some things, but you don't need them to live. So let's talk about that a little bit. Even though a cupcake is a type of food and our body does need food to live, is this a good food for our body? No, we couldn't live off of just cupcakes. We need healthy food that our body can use for energy, like sandwiches, vegetables, bread, meats or proteins, and fruit. Those are all things that our body needs to live. Our body needs water, and our body needs somewhere to live that is safe. Everything else is mostly a want. So let's talk about that a little bit more by sorting these needs and wants pictures. So you're going to get this paper out, and I want you to cut along the picture frame first, and then you're going to cut all the individual pictures out. I'm going to pause this video so you can pause as well, so that way you can cut yours out. And then whenever you're ready, push play. Now that we have the pictures all cut out, we are going to sort them into two different piles. In one group, we are going to sort them into needs, any picture of things that we would need. And on the other side, we're going to sort and put the pictures of things that we want. Things that we don't necessarily need, but we would like to be able to do or have. Okay, so I'm going to shuffle these up a little bit. The first one I have is a house. What do you think? Where do you think we should put the house? Should we put it in the need pile or the want pile? Good. I'm going to put it over here to the left for my needs because we need, it doesn't have to be a big house, but we need a place for us to sleep at nighttime to keep us safe and warm. So that is definitely a need. All right, next we have a bowl of fruit. Does our body need fruit or do we want fruit? Good, it's a need. Our body needs healthy fruit to live. Healthy food. The next one I'm going to pull out is a bucket of popcorn. Does our body need popcorn to live or do we want popcorn to eat because it tastes good? Very good. That is a want. So I'm going to put it over here on the other side, on the right-hand side. Ooh, next I have this pretty kite. Is the kite something we need or something that we want? Does our body need a kite to live? No, that would be like a toy. So toys are wants. Our body doesn't need those to live. What about shoes? Does our body need clothes to be able to live or no? They do. So that is definitely a need. Our body needs clothes to be able to live. The next one, some cool baseball clothes. Does our body need baseball clothes or do we want baseball clothes? We want them. Very good. Our body doesn't need baseball clothes to be able to live. How about a salad? Vegetables. Does our body need vegetables to be able to live? Yes. So that goes on the need side. All right. What about a book? Now this one is a little bit tricky because I think that we all need books, but a book we don't need it to actually be able to live. So a book is a want. And the last one. See that mom we see a girl, a mom or a grandma or a special adult giving a hug to a child. Do we need hugs? Yes, we need hugs. Hugs are important for our body as well. So we're going to put that over on the need side because getting hugs from our special adult is always really important. Very good. So this is the difference between what our body needs and then what we want. A lot of times things that we ask for are things that we want, like chocolate cake or candy or gifts or toys. Those are all things that are wants and not things that our body always needs. So it's very good to know the difference between needs and wants. Very nice job. Please continue if you have not finished in the rest of your Google Classroom activities.